Hey everyone, let's talk about SPM Amali 2025 Physics because graph of T against L, what procedure to write and why is it 4 marks? So let's have a look. Okay, so many people are asking me about the controlling manipulated variable, mengawal, and also measuring the responding variable, the mengukur. So guys, why is this worth 4 marks? So let's have a look. Now as long as you write the proper procedure, it will be correct, right? Okay, so now let's talk about controlling, measuring your variables. So let me show you, this is the procedure that you probably would have written in your exams. Okay, so where are the 4 marks? Number 1, controlling the manipulated variable. So as long as you say you measure the length like this, okay, congratulations, you get 1 mark. Why? Because your length of your pendulum is your manipulated variable. You tell me how you measure, but of course, better you even state that you use a meter rule. Usually number 2 will be the steps that you did. So for example, here, you state that you displace and release the pendulum and you record the time taken. If you got write stopwatch, even better. Okay, but if you never write, never mind guys. So once you say how you record, you use the stopwatch to measure your time taken, which is the method. So this is the method of whatever. Finally, the third mark is the period of oscillation, which is your responding variable. How did you measure? So you have to write this formula out. Okay, but for today's experiment, this is 5 oscillation. So this will menyebabkan your this to be 5, T over 5, not T over 10, because you only use 5 oscillation. Once you show in the formula, guys, you are required to write the formula, you get 1 mark. And then finally, as long as you repeat with 4 different sets of data, okay, because obviously you start with 1 set of data, A, B, C, D, E. So once you repeat with 4 sets of data, congratulations, you get another 1 more mark. That's it, guys, very easy. So your procedures are like that, very simple, as long as you remember this. What about the diagram? This diagram is good enough. If you want to draw the G clamp, that is also optional, highly encouraged. Okay? Now next, on to our graph. T against L is sure curve graph, which is also mentioned in your textbook. Now, so if it's T against L and you accidentally draw straight line, the worst case is you will minus 1 mark only because the line is worth 1 mark, okay? So as long as you all the points you draw correctly, this is correct, everything, you will just lose 1 mark. So what is the next thing that people are very concerned about? So according to KPM textbook, the graph that you draw is this. The relationship interpretation is Y increases with X. So oleh itu today the answer should be T increases with X bertambah dengan X. So what's the maximum marks you will lose? The answer is 2 marks. But there is a chance if you draw straight line, because the relationship is based on your graph, your directly proportional might be accepted. It will differ from year to year. See what today Skema Pemakahan want to accept. Alright, so the worst case is 2 marks. So guys, comment down below and tell me what was the thing that was very difficult today. Were you shaking? Were you trembling? So I hope you will continue to well for your chemistry and bio Amali. I'll see you before paper 2.